Guess what? It's mail time. Broken Ankle Wishlist Edition Part 1. Y'all bought out my wishlist yesterday, and some of these packages already arrived today. Thankfully, they arrived while Bex was still here. She was able to bring the packages upstairs for me, so that was huge. Thank you, Becky. I love you. Hello, fellow nutmegger. That's somebody who's from Connecticut. Thanks for all of the great advice. You are a delight to watch. Hugs, Raina. You know, Raina is like the #1 name that people think that my name is when they don't actually know that my name is Renee. So, thanks, Raina. And Raina sent the crutch pads. Even though I have the knee scooter, you can't use a knee scooter like that in the house as easily, and it's not gonna come upstairs with me. So yeah, there are still some things that I use crutches for, and they hurt your armpits. So we got the crutch pad for the top of the crutches, so it's a little bit more comfortable. And then these wrap around the handle, so they're more comfortable too. Thanks, Raina. And the other package. Ooh. Ankle just twinged. Like, genuinely. Yes, this is an ankle compression ice wrap. So it wraps around your ankle and then you pump it up for compression, which is really gonna help because my ankle has been swollen for the last few days. I didn't even realize that the crutch pads and the ankle compression thing are the same brand. Like, it tracks, it makes sense, but I when I added these to the wish list, I didn't even see that. And that one says it's from Corey, so thank you, Corey. When my partner gets home, I'm gonna ask him to throw this in the freezer because the freezer is downstairs. But tomorrow, I'm going to use the heck out of this.